Hi! In front of me is Microsoft Surface Pro 7 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder. You need to begin by opening Recorder app and selecting OK in microphone pop-up. Now you can also tap on the bottom left corner and pick other sound source than microphone by tapping on Change Default in Settings and operating those options. I will stick with microphone though. You can also click on Import File at the top left corner. Select the file and tap on Open in the pop-up. When you're done, to start recording, click on this red button at the bottom. Now to pause it or unpause it, click on this right one with two lines. And to add a bookmark, click on this right one at the bottom right corner. Finally, to end and save your recording, click on square on the left. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To play it, click on it and tap on play button at the bottom. If you wish to rename it, select those three dots at the top right corner, tap on rename and type in wherever you want to. Then save your changes by hitting rename in the pop-up. To delete it completely, you can tap on the same three dots, but this time click on delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!